If you've never made a dime online and you want to experience that amazing feeling of making money from the comfort of your own home, then be sure to keep watching this video. As you've seen in the title of this tutorial, today I will share with you an affiliate marketing strategy that will allow you to earn hundreds of dollars again and again in purely passive income. What you're about to watch is different than anything else you might have come across and will allow you to get paid no matter where you are from, and no matter if you have experience with making money online or not. I'll cover everything in this tutorial, from the types of products you want to promote to getting traffic to those products. So once again, keep watching so you don't miss out on anything. And with all of that said, guys, let's now get right into this video. As you all know by now, this is indeed an affiliate marketing strategy, and as such, your very first step will be to go over to an affiliate marketplace. You can literally use any platform you want, so you don't have to use just one particular website for this to work. You could use clickbank.com, Digistore24, perhaps offervault.com, jvzoo.com, and so much more. You can just search on Google for affiliate websites and choose one from there if you want to. What I would recommend, though, is that you go for Digistore24.com. The main reason being is that it's available worldwide, unlike clickbank.com and many similar other platforms. And by using Digistore24, you can find the best products to promote via my method. But once again, guys, you should make up your own mind and choose a platform that you feel will work best for you. What you'll now have to do on Digistore24 or any other platform of your own choosing is sign up as an affiliate so you can start promoting products and making money. To do so on Digistore24 is rather easy. Either click on Start Now, it's free to sign up right here, or on Register Now button in the upper right corner. By clicking on either of these two buttons, you'll be taken to this page where you will now be able to sign up. You'll have to enter in all of this info now: your username, email address, password, first and last names, your physical address, and so much more. I won't cover all of this since it's simple stuff and it'll just prolong this video too much. What I will mention before we go on is that you don't need a company in order to sign up, so you can leave that field blank if you don't have a company, and I'm assuming most of you don't. Anyways, this is how everything will now look when you log in to Digistore24, if you decided to go with that website, that is. The next step from here, guys, would be to find a product to promote. And regardless of what website you went for, you want to have a criteria of sorts so that you don't choose products that won't make you that much money, or products that people won't buy. By the way, to access the affiliate marketplace on here, just click on Marketplace here, and then on All Offers on the affiliate marketplace, and then on All Offers on the affiliate marketplace. Anyways, the very first thing you want to look for in a product before choosing to promote it is the commission. For those oblivious, a commission is the percentage of the product's sales price you will receive when someone purchases it via your own affiliate link. You want the commission to be at least over 40 to 45% so that you earn a decent amount of money promoting the product. And the next thing that's important is the sales price. And this you don't want to be too high actually, because that would result in less sales, thus less money made overall for you. Going for a product that costs no more than $80 to $100, but no less than $20 or so should be the price range you want to go for. The last thing that's important about the said product is its popularity and how many people that you think would want to buy it. On Digistore24 in particular, you can see how popular a product is, which is really useful. Even if you're promoting a product that's neither too expensive nor too cheap and has good commissions, you won't be able to make any money at all if it isn't popular and people don't want to buy it. So popularity is indeed crucial. In order to find the most popular products, you should focus on a certain category. You also want to do this so that you'll be able to get traffic to your affiliate link. You'll see why later on in this video. And because of the traffic source you will be using, I highly recommend that you guys find a product in the fitness niche, preferably one related to weight loss. The reason you want to do this is simple. Everyone wants to lose weight nowadays, so you can make a lot of money promoting such a product. In my case, just as an example, I'll be using this product here. To grab the affiliate link on Digistore24, I just have to click on Promote Now and I'll be presented with the link almost instantly. Your next step would be to shorten the said affiliate link. You want to do this because it makes the link look a bit more appealing. Also, because it won't be so obvious that you're promoting something which could get you more sales in the long run. A site I highly recommend for this purpose is bitly.com, but you can use any website you want. With that done, now that you guys have shortened the actual affiliate link, comes the really important part: the traffic. Where can you promote your digital products so that you can make money? A few options are available. First off, you have Facebook groups. This is where the category of your product will come into play. Since there are so many weight loss Facebook groups, you will have no shortage of places on Facebook alone where you can promote your product and make a lot of money. Twitter is another good example. You can easily find a lot of people on Twitter who wrote something along the lines of, "I need to lose weight." You want to contact all of those people and provide them with your affiliate link, and some of them might make a purchase and get you paid. However, arguably the best way for you to get traffic nowadays to your affiliate link is through the use of Instagram.com. And I will now show you how you can get traffic to your affiliate link with Instagram, even if you have 0 followers. The first thing you want to do is create an Instagram page in your niche. In my case, that's the fitness niche, and this page here called Fitness is a really good example of how you will want your page to look. You want a nice profile picture and username. You also want to make sure you leave your shortened URL in the bio as well as a call to action promoting it. Once again, in my case, I want to write something like best weight loss guide or best way to lose weight and so on. The next step from here would be to add a few posts on your new Instagram page to make it look a bit better. And here you have a few options. Repost other people's posts, or create your own. If you opted for the first option, just type in something like #weightloss or #fitness in the search bar, and you can find thousands of posts from pages in that same niche. You can then just download their photos to your PC, upload them onto your own page, and credit them, and boom, you now have a new post as easy as that. If you want to create your own posts, then you can use a site like canva.com for that purpose. On here, you can, for absolutely free, create Instagram posts that look really good and are professional, and I would highly recommend using Canva in this particular case. Once you've created your new page, added a bio, a profile picture, and a few posts, the last thing you need to do to now make money on autopilot is get followers. And there are 2 ways for you to obtain them. The first one is to follow the followers of a big Instagram page in your same niche. So if you went with a fitness niche like myself, you'd want to follow people who follow this page here, for example. By doing this, you'll end up in the notifications of people who you know love fitness and who you know will want to follow other pages in the same niche. And most importantly of all, those people might want to buy a fitness product like the one you're promoting in your bio and make you money passively. While this would take some time, and while most people would not follow you back, thanks to the fact that you can follow literally hundreds of people in a matter of minutes, this is a really good way to grow your page. It would take merely days for you to accumulate hundreds, if not thousands of followers, after which you'll probably start making some money. If you want to do this the fast and easy way, then you can just use shoutcart.com and pay a big Instagram page with like 500,000 followers to give you a shout out for no more than $30. This does require an investment, but it's a far more effective method to get you followers, which is why it might be worth it in the end. You guys need to decide which one you go for to grow your page because both will work. Once you got the followers from either one or both of these methods, you'll be able to make money and passive income from there. And all you really have to do is post somewhat regularly, like 3 to 4 times a week, which wouldn't be so hard to do nowadays, and you'll be able to make literally thousands of dollars in the long run, doing very little to no work with this strategy, and despite not having any skills or knowledge to begin with.